Ooh, what was that? Some lag. Yeah, let's go. Yes. GG, man. GG. Oh, man. Nice. Oh, wow. Alright, so. A lot of these are old, but 5,681 on the main level. And let me go to my practice real quick. 1155 on this one. So you can do the math if you want, but looks like maybe around 7,000. Let me see. 550 was the other one again. Was, yeah, okay. So like 6,500 around there. Really fun level. I enjoyed it. Took me like 2 days to do. I think it's really helped my timing. Helped to practice my timing. This is a great level to do. You guys should, if you guys are around my level, it's only a legacy list, but you should totally do this level. Super enjoyable. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.